I remember him telling us the night of the revolution when they stormed the Winter Palace. He was a very young man. He was probably 18, 19 years old, and he was one of the members of the army that stormed the palace. And, you know, I couldn't believe it. I mean, I was a young kid, and I said, Daddy, you were really there when it happened? And he did tell us about what went on and how, you know, it was, for an 18-year-old or a 19-year-old to be in a place like that and watch it happening must have been incredible, you know. We read about it, but we didn't know. He told us that it was a very moving experience. I'm sure it was very frightening. I mean, you didn't know if you were going to live or die. I mean, it was that bad. When you have a chance to look back and rethink, you say to yourself, oh my goodness, is this really something that happened? And it was something that happened. He was, my father was a very historical person. You know, everything had its place in history. And when you realize that that was his life, not just history, you know, it sort of means a lot to you.